Oh yeah, welcome you guys. My name is DanCBearded. My subscribers call me the trusted teacher, and today we're gonna have a rockin' episode, a new review on a great company. I'll be joined by my gorgeous wife Sam C in a little bit, and we are going to be reviewing the company Headbangers Beard and Body Care. We're gonna see a kit that they sent out to me and check out their prices, their quality, their theme, and already you guys know what time it is. Giveaway day. That's right, we got another giveaway. We're gonna have 3 different winners on this giveaway, so please watch the whole video and stay to the end to find out how you can get entered into this giveaway. Intro and then review. Company, a little bit of information about the Headbangers Beard and Body Care Company. Well, first off, they are out of the U.S. state, Arizona, and they have a really cool owner named Austin. He is a full-time mail carrier for the U.S. Postal Service, and he has a great wife that he is proud that he's been with since high school. So that's pretty unique these days and pretty awesome. And this company has this really awesome feel to their company and name, and it is a rock heavy metal type feel. You can see it in the logo, you can see it in the name, and the owner would classify himself as a heavy metal freak. He loves bands like Slayer, Metallica, Pantera, and he gets down to that heavy metal music, and it shows in a great way that is setting him apart, making him different from a lot of other companies, which we know is key. That is important to stand out. You got to be a little bit different there. And one thing that he also takes pride in is in his products you will find only premium essential oils, all natural essential oils. You'll never find fragrance oils like tobacco or vanilla. It is only natural essential oils. And he is a firm believer in the health benefits of those essential oils. And you guys know I can go either way. I'm fine with fragrance oils. I think they're kind of neutral. I do think there are some great benefits to essential oils. Unless you have a reaction to them, then stay away from them. But you should know that about yourself. But I think that's awesome in this company. There's some people lately that are like, oh man, why are these health nuts going all crazy about all natural? That's like judging somebody for wanting to eat healthy, right? If you're gonna go eat something terrible and your buddy's like, man, I'm gonna grab a salad, I'm gonna try and help out my diet and my body a little bit, and then criticizing him for eating healthy. We can't criticize people because they want all natural products in their beard. No judgment for me either way. If you like fragrance oils, rock it. If you like essential oils, rock it. It is totally up to you guys and what is best for you, your beard, your health, your overall mentality. Man, awesome company, headbanging company, I may say. Price. I rate every beard company based on a $1, $2, or $3 price rating. And I'm going to give the Headbangers Beard and Body Care an absolutely smack dab $2 price rating. For a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil, it is the exact, once again, market average for these small batch amazing companies, $15. That is as $2 of a sign, a ranking as it possibly can get. They also have a lot of other things on there as well. One thing that was sent out to me is really, really cool. And this is this amazing humidor that has the products inside here. And I'm going to talk more once Sam gets on here. But this kit includes a wood comb, a boar's hair bristle brush, actual humidor materials to keep this and actually use it, an oil, and a balm. And this is for $115 with that custom engraving on the front there. Beautiful, beautiful box. If you're a cigar smoker and you love beard products, man, this could be for you. I'm not really into smoking cigars at all, but I definitely will use this as a display case. I can have it as something for the future. I think it's a beautiful thing there, but definitely a $2 price rating. All right, gentlemen, I've brought in my other half, my amazing wife, Sam C.
Hi.
And Sam, today we are going to cover a company that is called Headbangers Beard and Body Care.
Okay.
All right. And we have a pretty cool item here. This is the beard kit, but it's actually a humidor for cigars. So thoughts on first the presentation.
I like that. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's cool.
Yeah, it's kind of lasered etched into the design there. And then you have the presentation, and it actually has like the temperature gauge and the humidifier to go inside the humidor. So really, really cool there. And then we have a boar's hair bristle brush. And I really enjoy this boar's hair bristle brush. I'm finding more and more. If you see the boar's hairs, they are rounded. I have a lot that are flat, and for whatever reason, my favorite one, Beard Octane, they have a rounded one. This one is like the next best one I've ever had. So I really, really enjoy that.
Interesting.
A really nice and long wooden comb.
Did you forget what
yeah,
it was?
I did. Yeah, it's a wooden comb, clearly there. So a really good one, again, with the name and everything etched in there. And then we have the oil and the balm. I'll set this down over here. So first off, take on the logo, the labeling. Of course, this is a rock band. Their owner is big into heavy metal.
Okay.
He calls himself a heavy metal freak.
Cool.
Like it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Different.
And Sam's dad just visited us and brought over a gift for Maddox and Jax. And what did he bring for him? Not the puzzle, but the other thing.
So my dad was really into AC/DC, and when I was in high school, he bought this AC/DC live concert DVD, and he like forced me to watch it several times. And so I texted my dad the other day, and I was like, Maddox is jamming. I had AC/DC on the radio, and it's like, Maddox loves that. And so he brought the DVD over for Maddox to watch.
And full disclosure, it's not my style. I don't like any kind of rock. I wasn't raised on rock at all, so I don't know if I would enjoy it. But
It's funny to watch.
Yeah, we watched the video on Queen and Freddie Mercury, and Sam's obsessed with that documentary and movie.
We're into Queen right
so
now.
we're trying to go to see Queen in concert.
Anybody got tickets?
Yeah, anybody got the
they
hookup?
Are expensive.
Holy cannoli. Like lawn seats, like the worst seats possible were...
It was like, the only ones left were like $900 tickets.
So crazy. But we think that would be a really entertaining concert.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they kind of got that vibe going on with the Headbangers. Rock. Again, not my style, but hey, I can respect it. I think I'd get down at a rock concert. I'd fit in.
I'd feel like I would be kind of awkward.
Yeah,
But
I could see that. She would just stand. It'd be good people watching.
Yeah.
That's for sure. So what we have today, you guys, and I haven't gone over the scent, is we have one scent. This is one of his most popular, one of his most complex scents, and these are all essential oils.
Okay.
And this is called the Four Horsemen. The Four Horsemen.
Cool.
Now, I'm not going to tell you what's in it, but there is something that I think it smells like, and the owner also does. When I mentioned that, he was like, yep, I get that all the time, and I think the same. So, and I've had Sam smell it in beard. Normally I have her smell things in bottle and in balm when I get them. I smelled it and I was like, wow, I know exactly what this smells like. And I didn't want to have her smell it in balm or in bottle. And in beard, it isn't as strong, so she didn't get that fully. She liked it and got the refreshing scent. But see if you can pick out what this smells like. I think you'll get it. I think you'll get it right away. The balm really comes to life for me.
Like lemongrass?
Okay, there is lemongrass. Think food products.
Lemonade?
All right, she's stuck on the lemon, people.
Lemon.
The front note definitely is lemon. Tell me if you get Fruit Loops.
Oh my god.
Tell me if you get Fruit Loops in this.
Oh my god, I need Fruit Loops now.
Smell it.
Yes.
It's Fruit Loops, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy Fruit Loops. A fruity Fruit Loops, right? It's not like the sugary, it's cereal. It's sugary and has some of that characters to it. This is like a fruity Fruit Loops.
Yeah, it's not off-brand Fruit Loops.
No, this is Fruit Loops. Sorry for any trademark copyright
gosh.
infringements there.
It's Fruit Loops with a little more of the yellow lemon.
Yeah, I agree.
The yellow lemon loops.
Yes, it's the yellow lemon loops. It would be at like Aldi. It's not quite like completely knockoff. We've been shopping at Aldi lately, if anybody knows out there. We've been saving a lot of money, so it's been good. All right, what about the oil?
Super light.
Yes, that's why I had her...
balm is very strong.
Yes, I had her smell the balm first on purpose because I think the balm, you're like, yeah, Fruit Loops, whoa, fruity.
Yeah.
And then the oil is much more subtle, much more subtle.
You have to really smell.
Yeah, and I do get the lemon again. That's the main scent that I get there. And it's the same in beard. When I put in the oil, I get lemon. I get a refreshing citrus. When I put in the balm, bam, somebody threw a bowl of Fruit Loops at me and smacked me in the face, and all of them fell off except the yellow ones.
They're all just stuck in your beard.
Yep, like a Christmas bearded present. So Fruit Loops, 4 Horsemen. If you like refreshing citrus, if you like the smell of Fruit Loops, this is definitely for you.
If you like to eat Fruit Loops,
yes,
go ahead and buy it.
Yes, and if you like rocking and headbanging, hey, just support it for the swag there. And we've been dying laughing over the last 2 days over something with music. Sam read something online, and we have just been dying. With a 1 and a 3-year-old, this hits perfectly. So Sam, what did you read?
So Jax is obsessed with Baby Shark.
Oh my
gosh. Most
gosh.
of you know that from our Instagram.
Yeah, we have an Alexa, so Maddox can play it. I won't say it too loud because she's probably activated over there. Yeah, so let's give it a second before we say the title. And he just runs around, does the dance, and run away, run away.
He sings it during nap time.
Always.
He's obsessed.
And he's only 1, but he does. So
I read someone tweeted something that said, in 15 years at a nightclub, the DJ's gonna be like, all right, everyone, it's Baby Shark. And the crowd's gonna go crazy. My song!
Yeah, imagine everybody just dancing, and then all of a sudden, doot, and they're like, oh my God!
It's my jam!
Tina, get on the floor! It's Baby Shark! And they're just all out there, and then, imagine the runaway part. Everyone's, run away! Run away!
Stampede.
Run away! And when they do, the hunting part, I don't even know what's part of it, but Jax goes, let's go hunt. And he gets his head into it. The club's just going to be going crazy.
All I picture is Jax just out there
oh my gosh. Yeah, he's going to be in his teen, 16, 17-year-old, and just boom.
I guess maybe it would be a little longer.
Yeah, maybe 20 years, then he'll be 22.
Jax isn't going to be at a club when he's 16.
Yeah, he just started drinking. He's 22-year-old, and he has a safe driver, so he's good to go. And they're just listening to rap or whatever. I don't know what the music will be in 20 years. But then they drop Baby Shark. I don't even think they warn them. They just go into the next song, and the DJ says, oh, snap, bang. And anytime I think of a DJ, all I think of is Tom from Parks and Rec.
Yes.
That's every DJ in the world. So that, I thought music was kind of fitting here. We were literally laughing at lunch about it today. We were laughing yesterday about it. So awesome. 4 Horsemen, Fruit Loops, really nice, refreshing scent. And we are giving away 3 sets today.
And you get a free box of Fruit Loops with every set.
That is not true. There's an asterisk. There's an asterisk at the bottom. No lemon loops for you. Sorry.
Lemon Loops. That's a good name.
I do like that.
Cereal
I do
people
like
out there
that.
watching.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Miss Lemonhead.
You're welcome.
Feel and beard. How do these products make my beard feel, style, the health, all of that rolled into one? Awesome. This is all natural, great carrier agents, great essential oils. That's really tough to mess up. If you have those awesome ingredients, there's not really any wiggle room to have a bad product. So you already know it's going to be great, and it was. So a few details. First thing with the balm. The balm is of a pretty light consistency. It is not a firm hold. It's not even a medium hold. I would say it's between light and medium, a light medium hold here. It does a really good job of containing my flyaways, but it's not going to be firm. It's not going to restrict. So for those of you that like that kind of free feeling, almost bordering on kind of a balm butter feel, this would be a balm that you would really enjoy. If you're looking for that firm, waxy balm, this one is not for you. Now the oil is right in that medium range for thickness, and on both the balm and the oil, the scent is really nice and really strong in bottle, but being that it is an essential oil, it does fade throughout the day. So this is about a 6 to 7 hour range for the scent, and then it goes away, but the health benefits are still there, lasting very nicely. For me, it'll get through my teaching day, and then what I'll do is I'll take just a little bit of balm, work it in my hand, and cover that shield once again, and boom, that scent is back to life again. But it styles well. It is a lighter side. It's a little free, a little refreshing type. It's not quite just the lazy day. I wear this to school. I wear it coaching, and it does really, really well to keep my beard nice and looking good all day long, just like it is right now. And we're well into the day already, and it's really holding up and doing a great job. So very quality, very much quality with the products, the ingredients, and all around great feel. Rebuy. Would I look to acquire any of these products again? Try any other products from this company? Or most importantly, recommend them to you guys? 100%. All natural, great small batch company that makes everything by hand, made once you have it ordered. It's not sitting on a shelf somewhere. Definitely support these small batch companies that have a passion. All the funds are going directly to their company or to their family, and you know that where your money is going, and that's important there. I really enjoy this scent. It's something that I'm going to wear on a regular basis, and I've already been in contact about trying more scents from them because it's such good quality, and I know it's going to be all natural in my beard. So if you guys like supporting those local small businesses, all natural, at a very fair market average price, Headbangers Beard Care and Body Care is going to be one for you guys. But some of you are going to get a chance to try it and then hopefully become lifetime customers with that giveaway coming up next. Giveaway time! We are going to give away some awesome products, and I'm going to let you know how you can enter this giveaway today from Headbangers. First, what are we giving away? Of course, we are giving away a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil, a 2 ounce tin of beard balm, and one of their custom engraved boar's hair bristle brushes. That is going to be our giveaway there, and we're not going to have just one winner. We're not going to just have 2 winners. Another one, 3 winners today that are going to get these shipped to their house for free from Headbangers, giving back to you subscribers, all because of these amazing companies and because of your guys' support. So how do you get this giveaway? How are you entering and how do you win? Well, a couple of rules. Number 1, the most important, is you need to be a subscriber to this channel and remain a subscriber to this channel. If your subscriptions are on private, please go to your settings and put them on public, or I will ask you to take a screenshot verifying that you are a subscriber and have been a subscriber. Number 2, please hit a thumbs up on this video, hashtag YouTube algorithms. Number 3, very, very important here, leave a comment down below. We're going to go with the Headbangers theme here, and outside of ZZ Top, we're going to put them in the Hall of Fame. Name a musical artist or band that has the best beard in the music industry. Can be now, can be before, can be whatever you want to take this, or wherever you want to take this. Name a musical artist or band that has the best beard in all-time music industry. ZZ Top removed because that was going to be a go-to for a lot of people. I want to dig in, get some obscure ones there, get some rock bands, get some rappers, get some jazz artists. Find me those hidden gems that have beautiful beards that I'm not thinking about. I want to learn about some of these great artists that are rocking some great facial hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this rockin' review today with my beautiful wife, with an awesome giveaway and a great company. Thank you guys for all the support and all the love from the Command family. Have a beautiful bearded day.